Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you're watching this. This is Brenda.
Hi, I'm not filming for once.
She decided and came up with, we decided we're gonna go into the lunchroom and ask all the 10th graders a bunch of, well, just one question.
Just one question so far.
That Brenda came up with, so let's roll. Like ancient dinosaurs. Like we've never actually heard what they sound like, and we have no recordings of what they sound like. So what do you think they sound like? So what do ancient dinosaurs sound like?
You need to give us your best impression.
Come on, give us an impression.
I don't know.
No? Just try. You got this. You got this.
Roar?
So what do you think ancient dinosaurs sound like?
How about you do it first?
Wow. Can't get it. That's my dinosaur noise. Yes. No idea. Yes. Well, that went pretty well. I guess we're gonna have to end. See you. Goodbye. God bless you.